This is the GBH 540 DCE professional rotary hammer from Bosch, the fast all-rounder with vibration control. Thanks to its powerful 1150 watt motor, the GBH 540 DCE professional drills up to 30% faster than other hammers in its class. Its powerful hammer mechanism is really impressive. And the Bosch vibration control makes work more comfortable for you, especially when working for extended periods of time. You feel minimum vibration. Thanks to the turbo power, the energy used for rotation during drilling is converted into additional impact power in chiseling mode. Experience for yourself the fast all-rounder with vibration control, the GBH 540 DCE Professional from Bosch.